Good morning. So I wanted to pop on here really quick and share with you this new hair I'm using for this video that you're watching right now. Um, I filmed this video a couple of weeks ago and I forgot to introduce the hair, so I'm going to show you. It is called Distins Locks. Ooh, the camera's trying to follow me. Let's see. Okay, Distins Locks. So I purchased this on Amazon, and it comes with lashes. A lot of these hair companies send lashes too, but I don't use these. But it came in 4 bundles in each bag. I think I brought 3 bags. And the hair is really good. It was really soft. It was easy to separate. I washed it. Nothing came off of it. There's no smell. It smells like hair. My client liked it. Her result was beautiful with this color. So I just wanted to share this hair. I'm going to put a link to it in the description box as well as the name on the screen. If you have any questions about this video or this hair, please leave them in the comments. And I'm also going to be doing the hair I prefer for my installs type of video soon, so you guys can just have a better idea of what hair you should try. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Hello everyone. So this is a pretty straightforward install. I'm gonna just be highlighting the hair that I used in this install because the hair came out really well. The color was on point. This client had her hair dyed before she came to me, so she sent me pictures of the hair color that she was going for. So I did some research and found the hair color that I thought matched the best, which it was on point. So I purchased the hair from Amazon.com. The name escapes me right now because it's not in front of me, but I believe you should have saw a clip of it in the beginning of this video, and I'll be sure to put the link to the hair in the description box. So just like my normal installs with my micro lock twist extensions, I part, feed the hair in like I'm doing knotless, braid down a little ways down, and then I twist the rest of the way, and that's it. With this client, I believe I used 1 piece of hair for each section. I think the hair itself was dense enough that it matched her hair just enough that it went well with her hair texture and density. We finished this install in about, I would say, 9 hours. So, I split my installs into 2 days. So the first day I start around 9 o'clock, 9:30, and I stop around 3:30, and then I finish up the second day starting at the same time, but normally finishing by 1. So somewhere in there, that's normally how quick I can finish my twist. When I do braid lock extensions, those take me a little bit more time because obviously it takes a little bit more time to braid down. So that's the difference in the time it takes me to do the installs. But yeah, her hair was pretty straightforward. I mean, we got it done quickly. At the end, you'll see how full and lustrous it was. I will be purchasing hair from this company again. I really like the textured. No, I really like the quality of hair I received. In addition to that, this isn't my first time using them. I used what color was it? Blonde 27 from the same brand before. I just didn't share it, but I also like that hair too, and I still have some, and I still use it when needed. So yeah, this is just a straightforward install. Interlocking the roots. We did mostly a 2-point, 3-point interlocking groove, or whatever you want to call it. Because I was braiding tight enough that I didn't need to go through too many times, so 1 or 2 or 3 was good enough for her install. So yeah, if you have any questions, please drop them below. I'm going to do my best to be working through them. I am working through them daily when I find time, so bear with your girl, okay? Because I want to answer all your questions. And yes, thanks for watching, and if I think of anything else, I'll hop back on here, but other than that, watch me vibe out and kill this install. Thank you.
your heart. We just can't be kept apart. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you the best by far. Always go the extra mile. Yeah, yeah. All I need is you. All I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mulena vanemia ila. Vanemia ila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mulena vanemia ila. Vanemia ila. Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. It's my baby. That thing so vibrant. Keys to your heart, baby girl. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mulena vanemia ila. Vanemia ila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mulena vanemia ila. Vanemia ila. Yeah. Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my. Yeah. Talk of the city with the body.
Let's talk a little bit about the takedown process at the end. So I like to keep the sections separated as I go, more for my brain, because the closer I get to it being done, the more I feel like, oh, I'm almost there, the finish line is close. Of course, being in the Bantu knots, they get a little twisted up or curled, so I do spray them so that they're stretched out. I have done like 2-strand twists like this before and not had to spray them, but I enjoy the Bantu knots. I enjoy the before and after. But yeah, I just spray the hair with, now in that spray bottle is a product that I'm making myself. My hair care brand is called the Juice Hair Care, which is going to be dropping very soon. So I'm not going to tell you specifically what's in my water bottle, but honey, it's a nice hydrating spray. Everything's water-based, natural, and I make them myself. So it's good for just hydrating your hair and getting it ready to be sealed and to flourish under love. Okay. I definitely trim the ends if I see some scragglies. And that's really it. For the takedown process, I really just go over at this point with the client what they should be doing daily, the types of products they can use, how to tie it up at night, if they need to wash it, what is the process, and also just letting them know if anything happens or anything they're concerned about, they can give me a call, and I'm open 24/7 via text if I'm not busy or sleeping. So that's the gist. I just wanted to talk to you really quick about the end of the install, but all of my clients have said that there's no pain afterwards, so that's a great thing, because I don't do pain, okay? I don't got time for that. We try to keep our edges. We ain't trying to have problems. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, leave your questions down below. I'll see you guys later.